Namaste. In this video, we are going to make this part. As you can see, the front view is the most easiest one in the drawing. So let's start. So select the front plane, click on sketch. After that, first thing we are going to make is center line because we are going to use it as a mirror later onwards. Press escape. Now draw this thing. So I'm drawing it. Here you can see the dimension is 10 and this one is 45. So type here 10, oh sorry 12, and if you see closely it is 10 plus 25 plus 10. So simply type 10 plus 25 plus 10. The main aim of doing this is just to show that you can use smart dimension as a calculator as well. So now select this line and this line. Now again I need to calculate what is the distance from here to here. So I will simply use this smart dimension. So 166 minus 45 star 2, that means multiply bracket close divide by 2. So this is what I will get. Now click OK, select this line, select this point, select this point and this point, make it horizontal. Okay, now we need to create another line for this small one. So what we can do is click here, draw this like this, and this one is 2 mm, and the distance from here to here is 10 mm. Similarly, distance from here to here is 10 mm. Go to trim entities, trim this line, click OK. After that, we are going to make this one. So what we can do is simply make this sketch like I am showing. Press escape, and if you can look carefully, it is 43, 43, and we can ignore. And this is at the center, okay? And the inner radius is 6. Let's make the radius one letter onwards, okay? Now what we can do is draw another line, or simply what we can do is offset use. So where's the offset command? Offset entities, select this line and make sure that you click on select chain, and here you see that the thickness is 10 mm. Click on reverse direction. Okay, so we got the reverse direction, click OK, and here you can use the fillet command. So select this line and this line. The radius is 15 mm as you can see. Click OK. Similarly, select this line and this line. The radius this time is 16 mm. So enter the value 16 mm. Click OK. After that, close this, escape, and click on mirror entities. Select all these things. Click here. Click on mirror about this line. Click OK. Go to features, extrude. Select all these things. Make sure that it is in the mid plane because we are going to make this whole letter onwards, so it will make our work easier. And the extrusion is 71 mm, so enter the value of 71, click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So first thing we are going to make it hole. So the hole diameter is 25 mm, 25 mm, and if you look closely you can see there is also a cut here. So we are also going to make it. So if the radius is 10 mm, so basically what it means that we need to make something like this, and this is 10 mm, 10 mm. Similarly, we can use mirror command here as well. Mirror entities, select this line and mirror about this. Click OK. Now go to features, click on extrude cut, and I don't want extrude cut through all. I just want extrude cut up to this surface. So click on up to surface, select this, click OK. Now, before I move further onwards, I highly recommend that you check out the free course of SolidWorks Beginner to Advanced that is totally free of cost, link in description, and there is a paid course if you want to learn about SolidWorks animation and motion analysis. You can watch the promo Namaste guys, in this course you are going to learn about Solidworks. In the first chapter you are going to learn about basics of animations like explode view as you can see now, and you will learn about how to change color and appearances animation, how to make mechanism. Here as you can see a offset crank mechanism, how to make a 4 bar mechanism and analyze its trace path, okay, and how to make it more correct. We will also plot various kinds of things like acceleration, velocities and other parameters in a 4 bar mechanism. While analyzing, we will calculate how much torque or energy required in a certain mechanism in SolidWorks motion analysis. After all this, we will learn event-based motion analysis that is very important in real life for making animations of robots and machines. You will also learn what are the different ways to animate, and everything is covered in this course. So I hope you like the promo. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. Now get back to the tutorial. So now we need to make this thing. So what we can do is select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Simply draw two circles, 50, 25, and extrude it to 25 mm. We have to make two hole like this. So let's start working on it. Select this face, click on sketch, draw a center line, escape. So the diameter of hole is 12 mm or 12 mm. Sorry, my bad, 12 mm. And the distance between them is 25. And distance from here to here is 23. And the distance from this point, this line to this line is 20 mm. Press escape. After that, select this point and this point. Make it vertical. Now go to the mirror entities. Select these two circles. Click on mirror about this line. Click OK. Go to features. Click on extrude cut. Click OK. After that, we need to make this 10 mm fillet. So click on fillet. Select this. As you can see, 10 mm. Similarly, 10 mm. Click OK. So in this way, we have done our drawing. So I hope you like this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.